So I got us some breakfast today.
Oh yeah.
And it's some decently healthy stuff. We're pretty close to a fruit market, so we're excited. You want to see what it is?
Sure.
Yeah. Ooh, we have mango. We have dragon fruit or papaya. We have pineapple.
Looks like Dad went to 7-Eleven.
We have strawberries. There's the little cakes. Those aren't so healthy, but that's okay. And some yogurt drinks. I can't wait to try all this fruit.
Is.
What do you think it is? Cake. We'll find out. Now we're just waiting for the little one to finish getting ready, and we're gonna head out on the motorbikes and see what we can see. Almost ready to go. We're trying to get down to Chiang Rai Beach. We stopped to check directions, but it looks like we're going in the right direction. Yeah? All right, let's continue on this way. Right behind you. Yeah.
It's not a very busy place here. I think it's an evening or weekend thing probably.
Yeah, we went by the beach area and there's like all these just like little hut places, but there's like no one there. They're just doing construction. It looks like a pretty place though. We found one little place here. We were driving along and this lady motioned for us and had us drive down and park our bikes here.
It's so cool.
It is cool, isn't it? And it's just like these places where you can order some food and just relax by the river.
Maybe even get a Leo.
Yeah, when we just ordered papaya salad and french fries, she looked at us, smiled and said, beer? Like, no, we're okay. Water? Okay, we'll take a water. We're gonna head down these stairs and...
Are we going swimming?
No, we're just gonna go play in the water a little bit. It is a beautiful place. It kind of gives you this island vibe up here in the north of Thailand. It's really interesting.
Oh, it's nice and warm to see. Good.
We're getting comfortable here. And our water came.
I can fly like an owl.
We've got a bucket of ice, a big thing of water,
I don't think that
3
was flying.
cups,
That was called falling slowly.
and a roll of toilet paper, which I mean is a first for me. You know, like going to a restaurant, they give you a roll of toilet paper.
Maybe in case you have to go potty in the woods.
So the other papaya salads we've seen didn't have meat on them, and we had kind of a language barrier issue we should have used our translator for.
Shoot, ant.
We don't eat shrimp, so that's just going to be a decoration. We're going to split the french fries.
No, ants, no, get out of here.
Oh no, we don't want to split them with the ants, just with each other. We're getting ready to take off again. We need to find the lady so we can pay her for our lunch.
Or we can just leave the money on the table.
I'm just not sure exactly how much it was.
Do I look cool?
Yes, you do. There she is. Oh, maybe he did pay and she was getting change. Oh, that's probably what it was. Right.
Yeah, middle of the day, it's the hottest point.
It is. We have so much, like, different things here. So many different things here. I'm turning pink, so I need more sunscreen.
Or are you turning red?
Yeah. Anyway, we came up on this huge bridge, but thankfully there wasn't a lot of traffic. Made a U-turn, came back around here, and there was a sign that said Buddha Cave. So we're like, hey, that's where we're going. Like literally cool in here. It's so hot outside, but it's nice and cool in the cave. And you've got all these bats flying around.
Oh, look, there's two.
Yeah, lots of them. Yeah, it's just very different than any of the other places that we've been so far. You have to be careful where you step here on the floor. We're just stepping in a lot of bat poop. I think I want to go out and clean my feet. Even if you have to walk in bat poop. poop and something wet back there. I don't know what that was. It's still a really cool place to visit, so I would recommend it. Take a few minutes and drive down here and see this cool cave. There's supposed to be another cave around here, like one you can go in and explore, so we're just looking for that. You can see the river here, and you can see where we were eating our lunch on the other side. This sign says we're not allowed to pass through, so we're gonna head up the hill and see what we can find. So unfortunately, I don't really know anything about who these statues are or their significance or anything, but if you know, let us know in the comments down below. I'd be really curious to learn more. The walkway has turned into a trail. Curious to see if this is where the cave is and how far down it is. So looking at our map again, it looks like we might be able to go around and drive around to this other cave that we're looking for. This path is a little difficult for Seppi. She's just wearing flip-flops. So we're gonna go back around and explore more on the bikes. We don't know if this is it or not. Josh is gonna go scout out ahead. The word from up ahead is that this is it, and it's cool. Oh wow, we can feel it getting cooler and cooler as we get closer to the entrance. Seppi's a little afraid to go on in. Oh, Seppi, it won't be as dark if you take off your sunglasses.
Oh, right.
That helps.
Look at this. Oh man, that just barely.
Oh, is this the same cave we were looking for? Or is this a different one?
I don't know.
So cool. It's just like this big open cavern. Goes way up where you can see the sunlight coming through.
And you can hear the bats.
Do you continue past the Buddha? No? Okay. Well, that was pretty cool. That wasn't the cave that I thought it was. There was a different one I saw on the map, but this one was much easier for Seppi. Still very interesting, nice and cool. Apparently, some of us are still hungry, so we're gonna head back into town and go to that big noodle restaurant that we were at yesterday. That was a pretty fun place. So we're gonna head there and get something to eat, and then we need to check out the bus station to see about some tickets for tomorrow. Some more motorbike riding. Been here before. You need the seat open? All right, we're gonna go get noodles in just a minute as soon as we get the seat open. Gluten-free vegetarian one, actually. And we found something that Josh is really interested in.
Devil spicy. Don't
Be a little too spicy though. And for Seppi, we're looking for something that isn't spicy at all.
Then why did you pick up that?
Well, I saw this one, but I don't know what's in it.
It's not like the kind of noodle. You got way more
Got a
stuff
full
than
basket today.
Can I get a lollipop?
Oh, I suppose so. This is upstairs. Seppi found a very comfortable place. Lots and lots
And look, those
of
cats.
giant stuffies and squishmallows. It's a really fun area up here. You could like have a big group or something, and they have these little tables with the cushions, and they have some board games that you can play too. And there's a big TV as well, and air conditioning. It's very nice. It doesn't look good, but it is actually really tasty. It's rice noodles, and I put some of the veggies in it. Josh is enjoying his, but it's pretty spicy, and so pretty spicy. And Steffi's is too hot to eat right now, so she's enjoying the Steffi's.
Look at this.
It looks like
It's a banana duck.
it's like a banana duck.
It's a banana duck. Banana duck.
Josh worked hard finishing his spicy soup in
Your
record
belly's
time.
showing.
So now he's taking a much needed break. Steffi made sure that he has some Stuffies there to keep him company. Steffi and I are still working on our noodles. How are they now, Steffi? Are they better?
They're so good.
Good. Steffi's still working on her noodles. She got a little distracted because some kids put on some cartoons. We told her she could rest though. Neither of us researched how late the White Temple was open, so if we want to get there, we need to go now and drive a little faster. We survived!
I did it.
Oh, Steffi almost fell asleep, but we made it, and somebody helped us find a place to park. They pointed us in the right direction, and now we get to enjoy the sights. I read that the world's fanciest public toilet is here, and I think it's back. Sorry, I don't mean to point at you, Steph. I think it's back over there somewhere. We're gonna have to go find it. Let's go see. This looks like it's it. That is a fancy, fancy bathroom. So these are the bathrooms just here. Oh, nope, the next one that's open.
It's most fancy.
Inside it's not so fancy, but the building, I guess, is the fanciest. Still a Western toilet. Ooh, silver floors. Let's do this. The fact that it has toilet paper. That's a little bit of a hard find lately. There is lots more to see and explore here, but we got here pretty late, so we're happy to see what we did. But that means that you have to come to Chiang Rai, and you have to see it for yourself. I almost said Chiang Mai, I'm like, where are we? Chiang Rai. We got the motorbikes turned in, no problems. We had to fill up with gas and had to cross a busy street. I really don't like right-hand turns. Stephanie's feeling pretty tired. She has been done for a while now. So we're just getting some more dinner to take with us. I was really hoping to get some coconut ice cream there at the White Temple, but everything was closing up. So we're gonna go see what we can find, and Stephanie wants some more fruits. So we're gonna go do that. Hopefully, should we turn that frown upside down? I found some, and it's actually vegan, which is an added bonus. Steffi found some fruit, and we found some coconut ice cream. We're walking home. Well, I mean home, the hotel. And I hear all these birds. I don't even see them. They must be up in the trees. Oh, there they are. And they're so loud. Hear them. It's crazy. What are they doing up there?
I feel like our time in this town was so fast.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But we're really trying to give ourselves enough time in the south. We want to get to an island somewhere, find a bungalow, go swimming. Swimming place. That's where we're going. As I said last time, this hotel is a little bit far from everything else. Like, it's still considered in the city center, but we had to walk a ways. It's good with the bikes though, because it's really cheap. It's only like, I think, $10 a night, but it's clean. It's good. And it allows us to then spend money on the motorbikes instead of a fancier place in another part of town.
We forgot to buy fish.
But our night is not over. We have laundry to do. There's Kitty. She's been enjoying the room while we were gone. There were 2 separate beds. We just pushed them together. Sophie likes to snuggle.
And we found this on the ground. Okay.
It's nothing spectacular, but it's really nice. I think especially for a budget place. We have a lot of laundry this time, so Josh is going to take it just back down the street around the corner where there are some washing machines and dryers. Okay.
He's going out to do the laundry.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Good luck. Very cool.
Well, we did a lot today and we are tired. I'm very thankful to Josh for going to do the laundry. I'm going to take a shower. When he comes back, we'll eat some dinner. Seffi's just playing for a little bit, but I am ready for sleep. Seffi actually said, I'm excited for sleep tonight. But thanks for going with us today. I hope you had a good time, and I look forward to taking you with us tomorrow as we journey to Mae Sai. Why are we going to the northernmost part of Thailand? Well, you'll have to join us tomorrow and find out. Bye.